Hello, guys, and welcome to another vlog at home. And if you are new on this channel, welcome to Ntavi at Home, and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're going to stay with us. And to my returning skeem, thank you, Zitando Zezulu. I appreciate each and every one of you. Family, today it is Friday, and I took a day's leave, and just a little bit nje of renting kancane, guys, and I apologize if this will be a long intro. Just nje, my helper decided not to show up today. My helper decided not to show up today. Guys, the life of having helpers. Yo. I could imagine nje, if I had small babies that I'm literally dependent on a helper to be here. Like, it will be such a mess each and every time. This is not on, guys. Like, not showing up without a message, without saying anything. Normally, always encouraging her when she knows or aware that there are chances that she might not show up, just say something, let me know the night before at least, or just prepare me so that I know with you tomorrow I'm alone. I have to wake up with that intention. She's not coming, and I need to do some of the work, and I need to sort the house because she's not coming. So now this morning was just relaxed nje, because I took a day's leave thinking it's going to be a chilled day in J, lazing around the house and stuff, even though I want to go and check up on the farm what's happening. But I was planning to have a chilled day, just spend a few hours at the farm and stuff. And to my surprise, this morning, I'm checking, Dololo. She just didn't show up. No message. I checked my messages, and because I know sometimes she likes to send messages on my phone. She's not really a WhatsApp person. She sends messages. So I'm checking on my phone. Guti, there's a message or what? Nothing. So you can imagine, Guti, waking up to that, not knowing or not being prepared for that. Guys, it just switches you off completely. My day is like switched off. My entire weekend, my entire long weekend, it is switched off because now I need to realign. I need to sort the house. I need to do the laundry. I need to do all sorts of things that was supposed to be done today. And obviously, I won't have time to do everything because now I need to go to the farm, go check on the babies, and go check on the chickens. And when I come back, obviously, I need to sort the house. So I'll be sectioning the house, not doing it all at once, doing room by rooms or part of the house. And then I'll finish tomorrow and the laundry as well, as I need to do laundry. You guys, this is not on at all. This is not on. So is it really worth it to have a helper who is not reliable? Because this is not even the first time that this is happening, and I've been like patient. I'm not somebody who likes to complain. I'm not somebody who likes to always. So I just let it go or brush off. Maybe that's why things are happening the way they are. I'm enabled her to do that because I'm not somebody who talks that much, and I just you know probably that's my part of it is my fault that this is happening because I'm not somebody who is like, in terms of discipline. I just, okay, when she comes, you let me know, oh, I was sick, or my headache, or tummy back, or whatever the case may be, or the baby was sick and stuff. And sometimes when you hear such things, you can't really, you know be like that because okay, there's a reason, but the issues that tell me prior, or even though sometimes I know life happens, guys, that in the morning, or realize in the morning good stuff are happening or whatever, but then at least make me to just let me know what this is happening or what, because I mean that's what we do at work. You cannot just decide to just not show up at work without a message of some sort. You have to send a message. That is how I'm seeing this whole thing. But anyway, it is what it is. She did not show up. I have to sort out the house and clean the house because now she comes twice a week, Monday and Friday. So it's Friday today, she didn't show up. So, and obviously on Monday, it is a public holiday. She won't show up, and she will be coming on Tuesday. Normally when it's a public holiday, she either replaced that day before or after. So that's what is going to happen. So I'll only be seeing her on Tuesday. And from now until Tuesday, where will I be? So I need to, to quicker and do the work, of which I don't mind as long as I'm prepared. It's not a hassle for me. But it is what it is. And right now, I just finished bathing and we are on our way to the farm to check what's happening and what needs to be done. And the lambing season, guys, it is here. The lambing season is happening. And from the beginning of May until now, it's lambing season. So far we received, or we have 30 babies. May, June, we have like 30 babies that are born, and they're growing fine, they're healthy, there's no issues with the babies, and I can only give God all the honor and glory. And thank you, honestly, to Almighty, that all 30 of them are healthy and they're growing perfectly fine. Yeah, God is good, and lambing season is lambing. So I'm going to check on the babies and also check on the chickens. The other chickens are starting to lay, and they're also starting to I don't know what you call it. I forgot the name, guys. Ubegela, not ubegela, but ubu, like to incubate the eggs. I don't know, there's a name for that, but I forgot the name. So other chickens now, they're starting to like incubate the eggs. So meaning soon we will have babies as well on that side. So God is good, and I give him honestly all the honor and glory. So yeah, family, anyway, welcome to this vlog once again, and I hope you're going to enjoy this vlog, and happy Friday to each and every one of you. And see you. I don't know if I'll see you tomorrow, but I'll just see. But I'll see you when I see you. And thank you so much. Mwah.
Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I stood alone in a storm. You took the sunshine, the flames are gone now, and I watched you walk straight out of that door. Promises got lost in the dust, your boots by the door, you're not coming home. Love like wildfire, I was your entire world until I wasn't anymore. Oh, heartache, you left me behind. That's not a man, only a coward. Gone now, you're chasing the wind, no longer my man. You're just a dressed in moonlight, I whisper your name, can't get any sleep. Smoking cigarette after cigarette, I watch them burn until I forget we're through. Baby, tell me what to do. Promises got lost in the dust, your boots by the door, you're not coming home. Stuck in a ghost town.
Hello guys, welcome to another vlog, and today it is Saturday, and if you are new on this channel, welcome to Ntavi at Home, and I hope you're going to enjoy and stay with us. To my returning skims, thank you Zitando Zezulu. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today, family, coming up on this vlog, do some laundry once again, and this time I'm going to tackle the living room, because yet last night I did try to tidy up my room and other rooms. So I'm going to tackle the living room, and then right now I'm just going to quickly make them oats. We're going to have oats for breakfast. Just a quick breakfast because I have so much to do. And then later on, I want to make bread. Family, in the space, or I'm slowly transitioning into cutting down in terms of spending unnecessarily, and in a space whereby I want to do things for myself, or like if I can say, to create my own food or to make my own food. So I'm in that space right now whereby I want to do my own stuff. I'll only buy when I don't have time, or when I don't have maybe ingredients or something, but to a lot of things that I can be able to make myself. That is what I'm going to do, honestly, when I get the time. And I'm slowly enjoying actually this homemaking situation. I'm really enjoying homemaking, and I want to actually embrace it and enjoy it. So, having said that, I want to make bread for us later on, and I want to cut on buying bread every day. I want to actually try and do things that I can be able to do myself, try to do them at home. The only thing that I will buy, like in bulk, to buy ingredients that I will need. But most of the time, I really want to try and do things myself, trying to cook from scratch and do things from scratch wherever possible. So yeah, today, yeah, nothing much, but that's what is going to happen. And I've just realized now, Oguti, I ran out of washing powder, and I'm thinking of going to quickly order it and then do the laundry and do just tidy up for the house to be neat. But yeah, it is what it is. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much. And I hope you're going to enjoy this vlog. Mwah.
sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top, but we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay. Cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Killing time, Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top, but we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Way back then.
Every single day just is the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face, yeah. Every single day just is the same. I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why should I complain? Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I
another melody.
Not long ago, you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face.
Hello family, and welcome back to another vlog. Today it is Sunday morning on my side, and it is around 6:30. And if you are new on this channel, welcome to Ntabi at Home. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you're going to enjoy and stay with us. And to my returning skeem, thank you, Zitando Zezulu. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today I decided to wake up early and to start cooking now because I want to rest for the rest of the day. I'm going to be cooking, and then I'm going to finish hanging the laundry that I didn't finish yesterday, and that is it. So today there's nothing much, family, and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and God bless you mightily and abundantly. And yeah, family, today is just a chill day with hubby. Nothing much, nothing hectic. And I hope you're going to enjoy this video as I'm closing the vlog today. And enjoy your Father's Day and enjoy spending time with your family. Mwah.
Listen for me in a violin. Listen for me when the knife is turning. Listen for me when the world is burning. Babe, would you listen for me? Listen for me in a crowded street. Listen for me in a winning streak. Listen for me when you're at your peak. Babe, would you listen for me? eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night.